Now we're going to do the 2-5 turnaround. So what we do here is essentially the last two bits of this are the same as what we just did in step number 2, second variation. What's different here is how we approach the beginning of these final 4 bars. Is instead of playing the 5, we play the 2 chord. Now the 2, when you're playing in the key of A, is a B minor. So there are different ways you could play B minor, but I recommend that you play it like this. To demonstrate, it's going to sound like this. The 2, which is a B minor, to the 5, which is an E, and then we do the turnaround just like we did in the second variation. So remember, we hit the A, the 1, then you go, so now to demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we did in this demonstration, we played the 2, which is a B minor. We then played the 5, which is an E. And then we did the turnaround, which consists of that sequence of half-step notes that end up concluding on the 5. And this could be done in any other key as long as you count the right chords out, and it's highly, highly transferable. And again, this is something that works really nicely in both acoustic blues and in electric blues and anything in between. So I hope that these 3 variations of the blues form are useful, and I encourage you to use them in creative ways whenever you can.